to record some fresh looks. Just checking out some lines here. Just reading them for the first time in the morning. Gotta go get some coffee in me. I changed my mind because nothing beats McDonald's sausage McMuffin. We have guava cream pies now? Since when? Can I get a sausage McMuffin? Good morning. Ooh, is that too much ice? I never know how much ice to put in this. Maybe we'll give this one. He likes it black. I like it with lots of cream, but not really cream. Oat milk. Leave some extra space for myself. Oh wait, totally almost didn't do extra space. Not fake. I'm gonna take that one instead.
Look what this guy brought me. Look what they got me.
Give me slides! Something about that color.
Oh my god.
Matches your eyes, huh?
Look at it. This is a 12?
Slightly.
I might not even wear these. I'll just look at them.
Bad boys, just breaking them in, and you know, making this outfit look good. Now look at my backside. It's not loud. What they say? Repping the city on this side. Liberty Science Center. Yes, Liberty Science Center. We've been there actually. I went there on accident. I was trying to walk to the park, took right instead of the left.
Oh,
and
what
so
a win!
there we go.
What a win!
Getting deodorant on there.
I have a little sponge if we need it.
I mean, that's sexy deodorant look. Maybe I should look at my lines.
It's all coming together with the little patch and the shoe.
Yeah, right?
You're ready to go places for sure.
Yeah. Hang on 1 second. I was like, what are you doing in the background? Shooting.
That wasn't yesterday. When was that?
I know that wasn't yesterday, but that
When was that? That was a day. That was one of these days.
I know it was one of these days.
Yo, all they hear in the background is like. I play Call of Duty a lot, y'all. Let me get back in there real quick. Hold on.
I need to go run to my coffee keep real quick.
Wait, hold on. I need to adjust to make sure
You
my
want me
lighting
to
is
stand
good.
in? I can stand in.
Testing 1 2 1 2.
Perfect. Perfect. This is crispy. All right, I'm gonna roll on these. Rolling. And in 3, 2, 1, action.
Welcome back to Fresh Selects. My name is Marissa Hill, aka the Hype Model, and today we're going to be taking a close look at the Air Jordan 12 Twist. Stay tuned. You like it? Is it okay? It's all right?
That was good.
Lovely.
I just want to go home. And you're just getting me home. That was beautiful.
You want one more? Just
Hell no.
Okay.
That was beautiful.
Second one real quick, 'cause I think,
Because it was more fake than
is that what it was?
real. Oh, yeah,
while
yeah.
we're filming.
As long as you,
Yeah, Video
You're free,
Village
that's you.
right here.
that's your screen.
It's mine.
really good. The lighting is amazing on this. Skin is really good.
She looks
To
amazing.
the Caribbean for a few days. It's really expensive, I get it.
We
but
send you to
it's
Coney
worth
Island.
it.
Hey, let's get her an Uber to Coney Island for an hour. All right, you ready?
No SPF. As far as Air Jordan colorways go, the Air Jordan 12 Twist is pretty reserved. So when we look at the upper, it's pretty much covered in tumbled white leather all the way up through the tongue, and it also is then completed with simple white laces and white tumbled leather on the mud guards.
You're getting too good at this. Strangely good. Now it's getting a little weird.
Is that weird?
It's getting a
Is that
little weird that you're
Should
good
I
at
take, should I
this.
take it back?
Mess up at least once. Just once, please.
Being
You know
in
how
front
it's hard?
of the
It's
cameras,
hard.
It is. People
It's
don't
hard.
understand until they get in front of the lights. It's like the legs, the lenses, all of a sudden
It's
they freeze
rough.
up.
It's rough.
It's a lot of those things. And it's different than public speaking, even going in front of talking with people. When
It's-
you're in front of a camera, it's different. It's
You-
not a human.
And it's like angles,
This is
the
a
whole.
technology.
I don't think it's even that. I think it's more so like your, you get what's the word I'm looking for? Is it subconscious? Like you start
Yeah,
to
like
think
in
of,
your head.
Yeah, you get in your head about like how you look and like
You're thinking about what other people are thinking
Are-
about you.
yeah, and what they're gonna see.
That's the problem.
Yeah, I think so.
Then you really just look like you're scared. The shoe is finished off with simple white foam midsoles, as well as a black and white outsole to complete the tonal look.
Nice. Next. That's it.
That's it. That's all, folks.
Let's get it. Let's get us out of here. Yeah, you ready? You be on it.
That's all for this episode. Thanks so much for tuning in. Where's
Pins.
that? She also does
Pins.
artwork on the side.
Tiny scissors.
How much are this going for?
For which one?
Good to have the scissors.
Oh, these are the good scissors. It's gonna be upwards of 1K for these, for sure.
Just don't bring
Yeah.
them on the airplane because we'll throw them away. Check.
You just said the word upwards of 1K. We're gonna go with the Cine lens, baby, because we're more Cine style kind of guys.
I am more than that. Love the little ponds. Ask song playlist as well, you know. Very powerful.
Hold that. Yeah, you are. Jesus. It's the
Wondering when you're going to tell me, Grace. Like,
I don't know. I think this lens is different. Like when things go in the air, that one's like a photo lens, so you're not gonna get that like that nice cinema feel like this. All right, I'm gonna roll on this. Hold on, you're a little light. There we go. Let's get this in a little bit more. Perfect. And in 3, 2, 1, panning in. Beautiful. Push it out. Yep. Clean. Rotate the shoe. Clean. I'm gonna come and do the same thing, but from here. This angle looks a little bit better. You ready? In 3, 2, 1. Clean. I'm gonna pan left to right. Gorge. And cut. Let's get the shoe out. Shoe, show the attitude. It's the hype model. We're in this beat.
you want the shoe. Doesn't hold again.
Make that shoe sell. This hill.
Got it. Sell this metallic
All right.
red colorway. Put a twist on it.
I don't want to shoot. Do I shoot the B-roll in this?